Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious rolled oats, a perfect start to any day. This simple guide will help you prepare a warm, comforting bowl in just a few minutes. We'll cover the basic stovetop method, ensuring you get that creamy texture every time. It's a versatile meal that can be customized to your taste, providing sustained energy throughout your morning. Let's get cooking. The stovetop method is classic for a reason, offering excellent control over your oatmeal's consistency. Remember the 1-to-2 ratio, 1 part rolled oats to 2 parts liquid. This ensures a perfectly cooked, creamy result. Keep the heat low after boiling and stir often to prevent sticking. In about 5 to 7 minutes, you'll have a hearty breakfast ready to enjoy. It's simple, satisfying, and truly delicious. For those busy mornings, the microwave is your best friend for quick oatmeal. Just combine your oats and liquid in a large microwave-safe bowl to avoid any messy overflows. Cook on high for 1 to 2 minutes, then give it a good stir. Let it sit for about 60 seconds to thicken up. This method is incredibly fast, delivering a warm breakfast in under 3 minutes. Now for the fun part, customizing your oatmeal. This is where you can truly make it your own. Add fresh fruits like blueberries or sliced apples for natural sweetness and vitamins. Boost the protein with a spoonful of nut butter or some chia seeds. A dash of cinnamon or a drizzle of maple syrup can elevate the flavor profile. The possibilities are endless for a personalized, nutritious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.